Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we'll be seeing this question on permutation. It's asking us, in how many ways can the letters of the word member be arranged? It's going to help us understand how to arrange letters with repetition. Now look at the word member. Here is M, E, M, B, E, R. Now for the M, we have how many M's? 2 M's. That's 2. Now for the E, we have how many E? 2 E's. For the B, we have 1, and for the R, we have 1. The first thing is, how many letters do we actually have in member? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the number of ways to arrange these letters with repetition will be given by n factorial over p factorial q factorial. Where n now will be the total number of letters in this, which is 6, and p will be the first letter and its number, that's 2. M has 2 numbers, and E also has 2. So my number of ways to arrange this will be given as 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That's the same thing as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All over 2 factorial here is 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. Now 2 times 1 here goes up with 2 times 1. And obviously 2 here is 1. 2 in 4 is 2. So that we'll have 6 times 5 times 2 times 3, which is equals to 180. So the number of ways to arrange the letters of the word member will be 180 ways. We can arrange it in 180 ways. With this, I hope you understand how I treated permutation. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.